Hello, this is Murtaza Deesawala from Deesawala Rubber Industries. Deesawala Rubber Industries is into manufacturing of rubber components for infrastructure and pipeline projects. When it comes to infrastructure, you may be knowing there are so many projects going on in bridges, roads, pipeline projects. So when it comes to bridges, we are manufacturing elastomeric bearing pads, which we specialize in. And apart from bridges, when it comes to pipeline, we are manufacturing DI pipe gaskets, which is also called as Titan gaskets. These are we are serving to major industries like road projects, then pipeline projects, pharma industries, and these are all the major construction companies and industries that we serve. Yeah, basically Deesawala Rubber started very small earlier. Okay, before Deesawala, my father and my uncle, they started this company. They were into trading of hardware products. Hardware products as in your nut bolts and screwdrivers and all those products. But they really wanted to get into manufacturing. So they started looking around, which is the product that we can get into. So that's where they realized that rubber is used in mostly all companies, in everything. Let's say automobile, it is rubber mats, okay, rubber car beadings. In infrastructure, there are elastomeric bearing, rubber speed breakers, pillar corner guards. So basically, rubber is used everywhere. So this made them realize that rubber should be a good option. That wherever you go, there would never be a no from the customers when it comes to rubber. This made them get into rubber manufacturing. See, basically, there are so many schemes of the government currently, like the Har Ghar Nal. Okay, and there is another, there is a lot of focus on road projects and infrastructure projects in India. They are, as you can see that in today's newspaper as well, infrastructure is going to grow by almost 15% the next coming year. So when it comes to pipeline, Har Ghar Nal, there is, the government has come up with a scheme wherein every household in India should get tapped drinking water by the end of 2030. And to serve that, they will require a lot of pipe manufacturers. Okay, and the pipe, we are here to manufacture rubber gaskets for all the pipeline companies. See, there is pipe gaskets which are used in pipes, ductile iron pipes, which is used for drinking water. Okay, then we manufacture rubber speed breakers for infrastructure projects. We are doing pillar corner guards for high-rise buildings in the parking areas. Apart from that, we are into so many other projects like pharma industries where they have syringes, bottles, and there are so many other products. Now we are also planning to venture into adhesive industries, what Fevicol manufactures. Okay, that is going to be the next big thing for Deesawala Rubber Industries. As I said, now we have recently started a new manufacturing unit, which is almost, before that, I would like to say that we have current 3 manufacturing units in Hyderabad. And we have recently started the 4th manufacturing plant. Okay, the plant is almost 40,000 square feet, which is almost 3 times the manufacturing capacity of what we currently have. And we plan to manufacture rubber beadings for cars. We are planning to start rubber sheetings. We are starting to get into adhesive industry, which is again huge. So these are all the expansion plans, and for that we have already ordered machinery, which is across India through many different companies and also in China. So we are expected to receive all the machineries within 2 to 3 months from now. When it comes to quality standards, we adhere to strict guidelines. Okay, because our products are very precision. We have to maintain 0.2, 0.3 mm of tolerance. That is very essential in our products. Okay, since we are into such products, we also have certain approvals, which, because we are into pipe drinking water, is drinking water, so we cannot compromise on the quality of products. And we are for this we have certain approvals like BIS, ISI marking, WRAS, which are used in exports, BSEN, which is EN standards, AS681, which is an Australian standard. We have such approvals that automatically gives us that edge wherein we can supply not just in India but across the world with these approvals. That is the advantage of having all these approvals here. We have already invested about 60 to 70 crores in ordering new machinery, plant, and etc. We are going to touch around 120 to 150 crores this financial year, and within the next 2 to 3 years, we are expected to reach about 300 to 400 crores turnover. We currently coming to the earlier plant, we employed around 140. We have already started the plant about 3 months back. Okay, launched the plant about 3 months back, and our current we are employing around 200 plus. We are expected to go about 400 in the next 1 to 2 years. Basically, earlier they used to be wood fired, heating process and all. Now everything has, in our rubber industry, there is no pollution at all. Okay, so basically we are completely shifted to electrical power systems. So to avoid any kind of environment issues. As our main target area is, as I told you some time back, our main target area is pipe gaskets. Pipe gaskets is going to be, pipeline is going to be a huge market, pipe manufacturers. Since the government has come up with this scheme of Har Ghar Nal, India lacks pipe manufacturers to serve the government's plan. Okay, when, let's say I'm talking about China. China has around 40 pipe manufacturers of DI ductile iron pipes, whereas India currently has only about 7 to 8 big players. So imagine the capacity that we have to reach to. And to serve these pipe manufacturers, you also require rubber gasket manufacturers who supply gaskets for each pipe. Okay, so we have planned to cater to all these pipe manufacturers who are planning to come within the next 2-3 years. Currently we are having it at in Hyderabad at Balanagar, and we are now, as I told you, we have now planned a 4th unit which is at Kalakar Mechal. Okay, and the capacity currently is about, the area is about 40 to 50,000 square feet, and we also plan to take another unit next to it, since we have already planned of so many other products, which we think that even this plant might fall short within the next coming 2 years. Yes, when it comes to infrastructure projects, you must be knowing all big players like Tata and Mega, Afcons, okay, Larsen and Toubro. Okay, these companies we regularly supply to across India and across their projects in India and abroad as well. When it comes to pipe manufacturers, we supply to companies like Vedanta, Electrosteel, Jindal, then Tata Metallics Limited, and many more which are planning to come further. Yes, already we have already launched two of our offices in Pune and Bangalore recently. Okay, and apart from that, the Chennai office is also planning to come up, and then lately up in this, let's say this complete year, we might come up with New Delhi office as well. So 4 offices should come within this year. Feedback is really good, because since we have all these approvals, okay, customer looks for these approvals. When you have these approvals, it automatically says that the plant capacity is good and the quality of this supplier is very good. Okay, that is an added advantage. Apart from that, we had issues of timely supplies. Okay, this plant now caters to all that. We are able to timely supply to our clients, which is a plus point. Yes, we look forward to have you on board, as we have started a new manufacturing unit. Apart from that, quality definitely Deesawala is way superior compared to the competitors. So what clients look for, basically timely supplies and quality, which Deesawala definitely caters to. Coming to the main products of Deesawala Rubber Industries, as I said, we are into gaskets. Gaskets is one of our bread and butter products of Deesawala Rubber, because that is, you call it as a hero of Deesawala Rubber. That is our main product. Around that, we have so many other products like rubber speed breakers, corner guards, then waterproofing products, which are geotextile fabrics, water bars, PVC water, which we are also exporting outside India. But for Deesawala, rubber gaskets has always been the major product. There are a lot of rubber products manufacturers across India, but when it comes to manufacturing gaskets, it is a very critical product where even 0.5, 0.2 difference can cause entire leakage across city. You might be seeing on the roads there is leakage of water. Why does it happen? Not always because of the fault with the pipes that it bursts. It is also because of gaskets. So such pipe companies across India, they ensure that they buy gaskets from certain companies who have all the approvals, and Deesawala has all the approvals to manufacture because there is so stringent checks before the approvals are given. Only then we possess these approvals. It automatically means that we can supply the best quality material and precision material.